Hey, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul from Craft Stash. I'm not going to rabbit on, I'm literally going to dive right in. So this is my haul, guys. So basically I purchased this haul just because one, they was having a sale on, and two, Craft World gave out yet another code to get 50% off a collection. So that's why I placed it, and finally they had the Dusty Concord back in stock. I was so made up because now this completes my Distress Oxide ink collection, so made up to finally get that. In the sale I got this gritty granite paste. I have actually got this, but because it was in the sale I thought I may as well get another one because they are only small jars. And also in the sale they were selling off some of the visible image stamps, so I thought I'd pick up them as well. So we got the Forever Love, some lovely flowers, roses there, and then we got Nuts About Squirrels, which I think is rather cute, if I'm honest. I love like these little silhouette ones as well. It's lovely. And then we've got this Lost for Words, and it says sometimes life just sucks, you got this, it's your birthday, congrats, I miss your face, thank you for being you, and celebrate. So there's lots of nice big word stamps there. And this little lot is the Simply Made Crafts haul that I was the reason I was doing this haul was for this particular set, because this was the one that had the 50% off code. But like, as you know, if you're a Craft World member you get 10% off on top of that on Craft Stash. So this is the ones we've got. So this first one is this Journal Textures, Labels and Stamp set, which has got lots of sentiments, memories together, family, travel, enjoy, happy times, Christmas, amazing birthday, precious place and holiday. And then we've got 3 gorgeous background stamps. Sorry, totally off camera then. And then we've got the Notebook, Pocket and Tuck Point die set, which I love because I love mini albums and stuff, so this will be perfect for that. And I can make myself a little notebook with this set as well. And then we've got the Notebook Wrap, Cover and die set. And then we've got the Journal Accessories die and stamp set. So I'll just grab the stamps out so we can have a look. So these are perfect for journaling. We've got some flowers, and we've got some places so you could do some journaling, some tags, some arrows. I love arrow stamps, so you can never have too many. And we've got some dotty ones, silhouette ones, loving this chevron arrows as well. And then you've got the dies for them too as well. And then we've got the notebook cover die set as well. And then we also got this big 12 by 12 memories paper pack. I haven't actually got any Simply Made Crafts paper stack, so I'm really excited. So let's just have a little nosy at what's inside. So we've got this lovely florals, some stripy ones, some miniature florals, some text, some lovely blue flowers, some pink marble, pink flowers. Oh, I love this one. As you all know, I love blue anyway. It's like the sea, that one. And then I think we're just going back around. There's the patterns. Absolutely lovely. I cannot wait to use these. And nice quality as well. Nice quality card, that. So although this was only a very small haul, I just still wanted to share with you so you can see for yourself what kind of goodies you can actually get from Craft World and Craft Stash when you combine the two. Like I say in the previous one, it's £20 for the year, and you'll get your money back very, very easily. So I hope you've enjoyed this haul, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye.